welcome to the channel. Here we are. It's a bit of a breezy day, but here we are to do the real first flight, the maiden of the XK X1. Okay, so I haven't done anything yet, so let's get ready to fly. Oop, pressing the wrong one. We're on low speed. Take the camera just up a bit. There you go, that looks okay. Let's put her on the old mat. Now it is a bit windy, so I'm going to probably keep it quite low. So then start the camera, start the motors, let's take off, go up. As you can see, full battery. Okay, it is a bit windy, let's take her out. Yep, still got FPV. Is that in that wind all right? Yeah, that wind's blowing it about a bit, but that gimbal is working really well, really well. The FPV is good. I like the picture on the FPV. The reason I've come out, I know it's windy, but I just couldn't wait to give it a fly. I really couldn't. Put the camera on. We're recording. One key return. There it goes. Right over me. See how she goes. See how close we are to the pad. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh, quite a way off. Quite a way off. Okay. What are we? 1, 2, 3 meters. 3 meters. But at least it comes back. At least it comes back. Instead of the way it shot up into the air. At least it comes back. How much we got on our battery? 1%. Let's auto lander. Here she comes. Okay, that's it. That's the flight finished. Yeah, I'm on about 50% battery, so we'll call it a day there. And let's go back and have a look at the onboard footage.